Hello, trading is closed on May the 10th, 2021. We'll go over our calls in just a minute. Our disclaimer always comes first. It's my plan for tomorrow, May the 11th. Trade at your own risk. I can be completely wrong. Please follow the rules of my channel. Call for the pattern with the early low. There it is. Tomorrow has the early high. We said Friday's action was negative. Unless we gapped and took out these highs fast, we should see lower prices. We said there was a target based on the wave count of 42.39.10. The high was 42.36.39. It's within a little over 2 points, not quite 3. It's close enough for me. So we've completed this pattern, if this is the right count. And we should be in wave dark blue C, which should be comparable to wave dark blue A. It sure doesn't look like this drop is over to me. And finally, we're seeing the kind of impulsive action I really want to see if we're going to get a decline of some size. Here's where we had wave 5 ending, and until proven otherwise, we're calling this an expanded flat. Now this drop undercut all these prior highs. So that's pretty negative action, but it's not confirmed till you take out some of the prior lows. I mean, this is a wall into the close. There's no rule that says you can't gap up and invalidate things, particularly when we have a new target of 42.2985. But MEJT almost always leaves a failed target at major changes in trend. And so I'd be happier if that number didn't print. I still have these lower numbers from last week on Thursday, and I think they're on tap. They should print at some point. We certainly have a good start for getting there now. If this is as negative as I think, this is the count we're using, and we should get a wave blue C comparable to blue A. But again, we've been fooled before, and until we undercut some of these lows, there's still a chance it recovers. But when you take out all those prior lows, prior highs, here's your all-time high, and then you promptly take out all these lows, that certainly is a sign of failure at the top, although until these lows fall, doesn't mean anything. Tomorrow's pattern has a early high. We could gap down. It's a higher target. Unless we gap down smartly, the rules say it should print. However, the system almost always leaves a failed target at major changes in trend. I suspect we're having one now, so I believe the target has a high risk of failing to print in this preferred time frame. Today's drop undercut all highs of the prior consolidation. It's the kind of impulsive move lower I look for on the first leg down from a major top. Till some prior lows fall, it remains possible for us to recover. But until proven wrong, I'm going with the wave count that favors significant high here. Tomorrow has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down, and that's today's call.